when you're in trouble and you need help. Call Super Martian Robot Girl. Super Martian Robot Girl. Yeah!
On a summer's day near the ocean, everything seemed fine until...
What a great day! Oh, hello there, Dolphin, friend of the sea! My ears! That was a horrible sound! I need Super Martian Robot Girl! Help!
Here I am to help. What happened?
Oh, my ears! Help! There was this dolphin, and he was like totally making this loud, weird sound, and it totally hurt my ears.
Yes, and I didn't like it either.
A dolphin?
Oh, my ears!
A dolphin! That's just the sound she makes when she sings.
Oh,
She's
singing?
Yes, that's right.
Oh my gosh, let's like totally start a band. All right.
My work here's done. Goodbye, everyone.
And so, the day is saved thanks to Super Martian Robot Girl.
Super